Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove Instagram watermark from Reels. Let's start! So now, open your Instagram app. And then what you're going to do is to select the video or the Reels that you want. And then click on the three dots. You can see the three dots at the right side of your screen. And then you'll see this option, Link. Just click on that to copy the link of the Reels. After that, go to your web browser and then search for igram.io. And then you'll see this option, igram Instagram Video Downloader. Just click on that. And then now paste the link of the video and then hit the download button. That's it! You can now remove the watermark from Reels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.